Welcome back to this video. It's involving OpenAI, which is artificial intelligence, ChatGPT website, and there it is. And we'll go ahead and do a Excel macro question criteria filter. Not going to explain too much about this area. It's pretty much self-explanatory with examples, capabilities, and limitations. So it's in the website here, and I'll leave the website description below in the comment area, description area. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and for the purpose of this round, we're going to go ahead and ask it in Excel, how would you add capital letter L in beginning and remove the and replace with E there at the end of each cell. And we're going to select a column J, focusing on J with 100 row. For the purpose of this, just type it out here. In addition, we're only going to target, so apply or target this to cells that are highlighted in yellow containing, see where I'm going with this. That's pretty fun. So let's as a macro. Macro is like a coding script. And here we go. We just hit enter, and ChatGPT is doing this thing. It's very fast and quick. It's great pulling in the database of 2021 and past prior, giving us the macro script code here as being shown here. Pretty cool, huh? And it's still running, and it's almost finished. There it is. It's just pretty much explaining that pretty much you can press the quick keys to add in. So again, we asked it in Excel. We're using Excel macros here. For the spreadsheet, how would you add the capital letter in the beginning and remove the 3 and replace with the E exclamation mark at the end of each cell for the column, right, with rows 1 through 100. And we're only applying this for those that filter criteria that are highlighted in yellow containing the characters icon subscript as a macro. So it pretty much said you can use the following macro and add L in the beginning, replace 3 with the E at the end of each cell in column J, rows 1 through 100, as I pretty much explained, and only for cells that are highlighted in yellow. Contain pretty much what I heard was asking for. It pretty much was able to digest and take in this and explain it, and then go ahead and lay out the macro code as explained. So you can just copy that and then go ahead and plug it into the Excel. So in the next area, I'll go ahead and show you exactly that in the Excel spreadsheet using the macro code. We'll see you there. The only quick thing I want to add in there was I adjusted the range selecting just to be more direct and proper. Pretty much I just typed in and targeted only the column J for rows 1 through 100. Alright, we'll see you in the next area on the Excel spreadsheet. Alright, this is the Excel criteria I had already set up, which is the icon and the subscript. These are the non-highlighted. Obviously we have the highlighted cells with the column J from row 1 to 100. Okay, and we're only targeting according to the script here, shown here, that I had adjusted, like I said, the range to target column J, rows 1 through 100, And then from there, it's going to target only the highlighted filters criteria. And from there, we're going to, for those that are highlighted, that meet the criteria of being highlighted, we'll have the added L, capital, and then we're going to replace that 3 with the E with the exclamation mark. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. And we'll see it's live in action. So here we go. Pay attention to the the highlight there, and we'll go ahead and create this macro button for the visual purposes of this video. So here we go, and voila! As you can see, only the highlighted ones, not the non-highlighted ones. The highlighted ones were changed and adjusted throughout rows 1 through 100, as you can see here. They've all changed, only the highlighted ones. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And what's really neat is, furthermore, we can take this macro script code that was pretty much asked from ChatGPT artificial intelligence to go ahead, and we can even do further samples. So let's say we want to do more highlights and change these to yellow, and let's do one down here. Okay, and execute the button. So there it is, it's changed. So it's pretty interesting, and I find this very fascinating to utilize with the assistance of ChatGPT to help create some of these other filter ideas in using Excel macros for coding these scripts shown here. So yeah, and if you like the content I provide in these videos, please like and subscribe as given within the criteria of this video example. Alright, thank you.